Hello everyone, welcome to IFL Securities YouTube channel. I am Shweta Papriwal and today I will discuss whether you should subscribe to the upcoming IPO of CE Info System Limited, more popularly known as Map My India IPO. To get information on all upcoming IPOs, do subscribe to our YouTube channel IFL Securities and like and share our videos. The IPO of Map My India will open on December 9th and close on December 13th. CE Infosystem is a data and technology products and platforms company offering proprietary digital maps as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. The company is India's leading provider of advanced digital maps, geospatial software, and location based IoT technologies. Having pioneered digital mapping in India in 1995, the company has earned market leadership position in this industry and built a strong moat by capitalizing on the early mover advantage, developing proprietary and integrated technologies, full stack product offerings, continuous innovation, and robust sustainable business model. The company provides products, platforms, application programming interfaces, that is APIs, and solutions across a range of digital map data, software, and IoT for the Indian market under the Map My India brand and for the international market under the Mapis brand. Here is the company's financial performance. The company's revenue from operation has increased from rupees 1352.55 million in FY19 to rupees 1524.63 million in FY21. EBITDA increased at a CAGR of 16% from rupees 404.6 million in FY19 to rupees 543.24 million in FY21. PAT increased from rupees 335.66 million in FY19 to rupees 594.33 million in FY21 at a CAGR of 33%. The company's strengths are B2B and B2B2C market leader in India with a comprehensive suite of SaaS, PaaS and MaaS offerings, independent global geospatial products and platforms company with strong data governance, market position built around proprietary technology and network effect, marquee customers across sectors with strong relationships and capability to cross-sell. Offerings have ever-expanding use cases and they innovate to address technology paradigm shifts. Companies' growth strategies are augment their products, platforms and their technology lead, continue to scale and expand their customer reach leveraging market presence in India, drive expansion in international markets and geospatial sector, pursue selective strategic acquisitions and investments to grow their business, attract, develop and retain skilled employees to sustain the product quality. Let us look at the company's valuations. At the upper price band of rupees 1033, CE Infosystem is demanding a PE multiple of approximately 91.41x based on FY21 earnings, while the company's price to sales ratio is at 36.07x of FY21 revenue. The valuations definitely look high. However, considering the future growth potential of the digitization of the economy, demand for real-time and precise data, strong entry barriers, comprehensive product offerings with an early mover advantage, marquee customers across sectors with strong relationships and a profitable business model, we recommend subscribe to the issue with a long-term perspective. Here are the IPO details. The IPO will open on December 9th and close on December 13th. The price band of the IPO is of rupees 1000 to rupees 1033. The issue size of the IPO is of rupees 1040 crore. The lot size is of 14 shares. Friends, you can apply for this IPO with IIFL Markets app. Thank you.